Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop model and operating system, so you download the correct drivers. This prevents mismatches. Power down and remove the battery when feasible, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Next, boot and open Device Manager or Network Settings to see the NIC status and error codes. This tells you whether the card is disabled, missing, or has driver issues. Once done, note exact driver names so you can fetch drivers or firmware in the next step. You uninstall the network driver from Device Manager and choose to delete driver files so Windows won't reuse a corrupt package. This forces a clean install. Make sure to power down, unplug antennas, and carefully remove then reseat the M2 or mini PCIe card, cleaning contacts with compressed air. Good contact often fixes intermittent issues. After reseating, install the latest vendor driver or let Windows Update fetch a compatible one. Once installed, restart and verify the adapter reappears and can scan networks. You finish by running ipconfig and ping tests to verify the adapter has an IP, gateway, and DNS resolution. This confirms network layer function. If problems persist, reset the TCP/IP stack and network settings so stale configs are cleared, and make sure power management isn't disabling the NIC. If you still see failures, try a known good card or a USB Ethernet/Wi-Fi adapter to isolate hardware versus system issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.